Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Paula Akana. Laura Yamada has the night off. Could a push to save local jobs come at the expense of millions in federal money? That's the dilemma state lawmakers may be facing tonight. KITV4's Catherine Cruz here with more on what the options are. Catherine.
Well, a federal agency today warned that Hawaii could lose millions of federal dollars because of a new law that gives preference to local contractors.
Get the roaches out of Hawaii!
Local construction unions led the charge this past session to get workers off the bench and back to work. Act 68 would have mandated that government contracts go to Hawaii companies and not mainland businesses.
Our lawyer said it was constitutional, and that's the premise that we went on.
Governor Linda Lingle vetoed the measure, but lawmakers overrode her in a special session. Today, housing and urban development officials warned that measure and a second one giving preference to businesses offering apprentice programs would violate procurement law. House Speaker Calvin Say was taken aback at the news.
I don't want to jeopardize those monies.
Say plans to consult with Hawaii's congressional delegation. Lawmakers may have two options: repeal the law or revise the current language to make it fly with the feds. Former Senator Bobby Bunda proposed the bill, but he's no longer in office, having lost a bid for lieutenant governor in the primary. Say expects that the next Senate president or labor chair will introduce legislation to fix the problem.
If it is going to jeopardize projects and federal funding, I am very much concerned.
Lingle plans to ask a federal court if the law passed affects other federal contracts. The fear is it could jeopardize millions in defense and transportation projects.
Now, the attorney for the Painters Union, Nathan Kinney, told KITV tonight the whole uproar is unnecessary. He says the law was written with a safety valve that says if the residency requirement is in contradiction with federal law, then it no longer applies. Kinney says the law also doesn't apply if there is a shortage of trades. Paula?
All right, Catherine, interesting.